Planning a big ticket sale, many processors freeze accounts or hold funds when a single transaction looks too large. This quick search shows how most processors set arbitrary transaction limits. Even if your business is legitimate, a single high ticket sale could trigger freezes or delays. Using a simple sheet like this makes it clear which processors allow large transactions and which ones could hold your funds. Easy Pay Direct allows unlimited high ticket processing so you can accept large transactions without worries. Plus, features like transaction routing and decline recovery ensure your payments keep flowing smoothly even during sales spikes. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description. Check it out today if you want to safely process high ticket sales. Whether you're selling premium programs, coaching packages, or high end info products, EasyPay Direct lets you accept any sale without freezes. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.